y'all, I just got my hands on the trending Bottega dupe Sunnies. I wanted this particular color and it's always freaking sold out. I finally got them. So it comes in this box. The name of the brand is Sojo's, and I have the color silver. So this will be my first impressions. Let me open them with you guys. I love when Amazon sends their Sunnies, like the packaging is always like top tier. Like they make sure your stuff is nice and secure. So it comes with a cleaning cloth, which is amazing. Love that for them. I'm not gonna open it because I think there's the little tool is in there too. But it comes in a plastic zip lock baggie. Ooh. Oh my God, I'm in already. Did I mention I was hungover? Yeah, went out last night. It's Libra season. So went out for one of my best friend's birthday and we had a time. I actually wanted to wear these last night, but my outfit ended up working out anyway without these. But I'm definitely wearing these for my birthday, which is next week. Y'all, oh my God. We're gonna be wearing these all day, every day, all season, in the club, out the club, on vacation, at home. These are freaking cute. Now I want the other ones too. But yes, I wanted these because I wanted something that was like neutral and not just like the gold, because everybody has the gold ones. And I have shades that look similar to that. So I wanted these and I got these. These are fucking hot. So yes, if you guys are interested, I'll leave you guys the link. Talk to you later. Bye.